Programming looks difficult, but what if I told you it's actually very simple? In this video, I'll explain programming basics inspired by Harvard CS50 in the easiest way possible. Let's start from the beginning. Programming is simply giving instructions to a computer. Just like you tell a person what to do step by step, you tell a computer exactly what to do. Now, what is computer science? Computer science is not just coding. It is about solving problems using logic and thinking step by step. Even in daily life, when you plan something properly, you are using problem solving. Every program in the world follows one simple idea: input, process, output. You give some input, the computer processes it, and then gives output. For example, you enter two numbers, the computer adds them, and gives you the result. Now comes a very important concept: algorithm. An algorithm is simply a step-by-step solution to a problem. Imagine you are searching for a name in a phone book. You don't check page by page. Instead, you open the middle, check, and then go left or right. This smart way of solving problems is called an algorithm. This is exactly how search engines like Google work. Now let's understand how computers actually think. Computers do not understand English or any human language. They understand only two things: 0 and 1. 0 means off. 1 means on. This is called binary. Instead of counting like we do from 0 to 9, computers count using only 0 and 1. For example, 1 is 1, 2 is 1 0, 3 is 1 1, 4 is 1 0 0. Everything inside a computer is based on this. A single 0 or 1 is called a bit. 8 bits together make 1 byte. And everything in your computer, whether it is text, images, or videos, is stored in bytes. Now you might think, how does a computer store letters? Even letters are stored as numbers. For example, the letter A is stored as 65. So when you type text, the computer actually converts it into numbers and then into binary. That's how text appears on your screen. Now let's talk about images. Images are made up of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel has 3 color values: red, green, and blue. By combining these colors, the computer can create any image you see. Even emojis work the same way. Every emoji you use has a unique number assigned to it using something called Unicode. That's why emojis look the same across different devices. Now, before writing real code, beginners often use something called Scratch. Scratch is a visual programming tool where you drag and drop blocks instead of typing code. It helps you understand logic easily. Now let's look at your first program. Most beginners start with a simple line: print hello world. This is used to check if everything is working correctly. Next, we have variables. A variable is like a storage box. It stores data such as your name, age, or any value. For example, name equals Aliyah. Now let's talk about logic in programming. Programs use conditions and loops. A condition means, if something is true, do this. For example, if marks are greater than 40, you pass. A loop means repeating something again and again automatically. Instead of writing the same thing many times, the computer can repeat it for you. So now you understand the basics. Programming is all about input, processing, and output. If you understood this video, you have already taken your first step into programming. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay consistent. And if you want me to explain the full CS50 course in a simple way, make sure you subscribe. Let's start this journey together.